In this video, we'll be looking at printer settings in the KioskBuddy app and how you can optimize them for your business's setup. For example, let's look at some differences between customer receipts and kitchen receipts. First, connect and enable your desired printers. For more information on how to do that, check out our other printer video here. Select Settings next to the preferred printer to choose what information appears on the receipt. For example, with customer receipts, you may want to choose to display tax, promo codes used, customer loyalty, and more. Now, let's take a look at our kitchen printer. The most common settings we see enabled for kitchens are the following. First, enabling individual copies for each item in the cart. You may want to print receipts for each individual item. For example, if you're a cafe or a boba shop, each receipt can act as a drink label. Select this option to print a separate receipt for each item in the customer's cart. Next, automatically append order numbers. This will add a unique order number to the receipt. You can define the starting order number and threshold for resetting on the KioskBuddy dashboard, Kiosk Settings section. The number will always reset the next day. Then, sort items by category name. Selecting this step will sort all items in an order by category name. Appetizers versus drinks versus mains, for example. Under Custom Checkout Flow Steps, you can use this section to print or hide specific custom checkout steps within the receipt. For example, a receipt for the kitchen probably doesn't need the email collected from the customer. Lastly, you can use route categories to route specific categories to different printers. For example, you can send all the drink items to the bar printer. Now, let's take a look at some other general printer settings. The Enable Printer checkbox can be used to enable or disable the printer. Here you can see that the Enable Printer option is already selected because we checked the box next to our desired printer at the start. You can enable the printer from this settings section or the initial printer section. The Smart Printing setting enables KioskBuddy to continuously retry print jobs in the background if it fails to print an order. For example, maybe your printer ran out of paper or ink and hasn't been refilled yet. When KioskBuddy fails to print an order, it will show the printer error screen. If you don't want that error screen to pop up for your customers, you can select the Disable Printer Error screen. Please note that in most cases, you will want your customers to see there's a printer error so that they can inform you. Otherwise, the only way you'll know is if you check your email for printer error notifications. Under font size, you can select either normal or large as receipt font sizes. In number of copies, you can set how many receipt copies print. After that, you can choose what other information you'd like displayed on the receipt, which we also covered earlier in the video. Let's take another quick look at some other options. You can decide if you'd like to show the date, time, device name, promo code, loyalty, price, subtotal, tax, tips, total, or KioskBuddy text. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and happy printing.